Hey everyone! Welcome back to Roden Zone. Today we're breaking down Fiverr, an online marketplace where you can buy and sell services. Whether you're a freelancer looking to offer your skills or a business needing a specific task done, Fiverr is the place to be. So what exactly is Fiverr? It's a platform where freelancers, also known as sellers, offer services called gigs. These gigs cover a wide range of categories like graphic design, writing, digital marketing, and more. It's a great way for talented individuals to showcase their skills and earn money. Here's how it works. Sellers create gigs with a detailed description, set their prices, and add any extras they offer. Buyers then browse these gigs, select what they need, and place an order. The seller delivers the work, and once the buyer approves it, Fiverr releases the payment to the seller, minus a small service fee. And that's a quick overview of Fiverr. It's a fantastic platform for both freelancers and clients to connect and get things done. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Roden Zone for more insights into the world of online earning. See you next time.